When it comes to selecting managers to run the businesses we buy, we apply filters to determine whether they love the business or love money. It's a critical question because we need managers who are motivated by their passion for the business, not just by financial gain. We want to identify those who would work tirelessly and diligently to make the business successful, even if they have no financial need to do so. Over the years, we've had extremely good luck in identifying people who love their business. These are the managers who don't have to work but choose to do so because they enjoy it. They are the ones who outwork most people in the world, and they do it because they derive a deep sense of satisfaction and fulfillment from their work. To identify such people, we have to determine their primary motivator, whether it's the love of the business or the love of money. We're not making a moral judgment about which is better, but we need to know which is the primary driver of their behavior. We found that those who love the business are more likely to make good managers than those who love money. However, identifying such managers is not easy, and we can't tell you exactly how we do it. It's a matter of experience and intuition that comes from being in the business for a long time. We have to gauge their level of commitment, enthusiasm, and work ethic, and see whether they are willing to go the extra mile to make the business successful. Once we've identified such managers, our job is to provide them with an environment where they can thrive and do their best work. We have to avoid anything that would diminish their love of the business or make their work conditions intolerable. It's a delicate balance, but we've had virtually no mistakes in this respect. Selecting the right managers is crucial for the success of the businesses we buy. By identifying those who love their business and providing them with the right environment, we can create a winning combination that leads to long-term success. When it comes to building a successful team, there are a few key qualities that we look for in potential hires: integrity, intelligence, experience, and dedication. Over the years, we've been fortunate to attract a group of associates who embody these qualities and who have helped us build a truly exceptional business. Of course, finding these exceptional people is not always easy. There are a lot of candidates out there who might seem like a good fit on paper, but who don't quite measure up when you get to know them better. So how do we filter out the candidates who aren't right for our team? In our experience, people tend to give themselves away fairly often. By paying close attention to the things they say, the way they behave, and the priorities they have, we can often get a good sense of whether someone is a good fit for our team. Of course, it also helps to have been around for a while. The longer you've been in business, the more experience you have with different types of people, and the better you become at identifying those who will be a good fit for your team. One thing that we're always wary of is a proposition that seems too good to be true. Whenever someone comes to us with a business opportunity that sounds too good to be true, we're immediately suspicious. In our experience, there are very few shortcuts to success, and anyone who promises a quick and easy path to riches is probably not being entirely honest. Building a successful team is about finding people who share your values and who are committed to working towards a common goal. By being vigilant and paying attention to the clues that people give us, we've been able to build a team of exceptional individuals who have helped us achieve great things. And if you're looking to build your own team of exceptional individuals, we hope that these insights will be helpful to you as well. So be sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about building successful teams and achieving your business goals.